All right, guys, we've got a very cool unit today. This is the Yormick White Noise Sound Machine. It's a DIY tank box. So, dude, straight up, I was testing this out. This is a very cool unit, and I'm going to tell you why. So, a couple things. First of all, it's got a USB-C plug. That just plugs into the back of it, just like that. The other end plugs into a USB, or you can plug into a USB adapter that'll allow you to plug it into the wall. Then you've also got you can actually put anything in this box that you want, whether it's like, crystals or like salt lamp or, just different kind of vibes, sand. But they do provide some beads and some objects that you can put in here. So like some fake grass, and like I've got a little starfish and a boat. So I kind of decorated it myself with the grass and the boat and the beads, which I think looks very cool. It's just kind of got a very cool vibe. But I'm going to show you how this works. So it's very compact. This will fit on your nightstand very easily. And if you're like me, I'm weird. Like, I have to have a fan on even if it's freezing, because there's something about that noise, that white noise, that just, it works for me. So basically this thing has white noise, different settings for white noise. It also has different settings for lights. What I'm going to do is turn off the light back here and show you the different light settings on the unit itself. So we have the light here. Now, there are several different colors you can do. You can see I'm changing the colors right now. And this is actually one that shifts colors while you've got it on. So different colors, very cool. Like, so many infinite different vibes that you can have. So if you're like meditating, doing yoga or anything like that, you have this in like a meditation room, a prayer room. I think this works really cool for that. But what you can also do is you can also adjust the dimness and the brightness like that. So very easy to do that. You can also set a timer for 15, 30, or 60 minutes if you want to do that. All right, and let's go to the white noise now. So what we have is we have voice, wind, summer, white noise, brook, ocean, and rain. So here's voice. And in each of them, there are some different sounds that you'll get. Like, I'll go to wind right now. That's one wind sound. Put the microphone up to it. Then you've got kind of like rain wind. Then you've got chime wind. So many different sounds there. Then we've got summer vibes here. Ooh, that's a good vibe. That's a good vibe. Got the bugs. Now let's go to white noise. Here's white noise. So you got many different white noise sounds. You know what? I'll just take this off so you can hear it. Sounds like you're in a plane there. All right, let's go to rain. Sorry, rain's here. So you got thunderstorms. That's a good vibe. We've got ocean. Massive vibe. And then we've got, what's the last one? The last one is brook. Dude, straight up, you can see how, if you're like me and you need that vibe, whether you're meditating, doing yoga, praying, or you just need some white noise to sleep, this is a compact unit that will fit on your nightstand, and it also has extreme functionality. This thing is very cool with the lighting and the different sound effects. You also have a volume button that allows you to play it louder or as soft as you want. And straight up, I highly recommend this.